Hello kids, welcome to today's study class. Today we learn 1 to 15 counting and learn some colors name. Which is this kids? These are lovely colors. These are colors: pink color, yellow color, red color, wine color, blue color, purple color, grey color, green color. This is peach color. Colors 1. This is number 1. Next number 2. Number 2. This is number 3. Number 3. Next number 4. This is number 5. Number 6. This is number 6. Number 7. Number 8. Next number 9. This is number 9. 1 0 10. 1 0 10. 1 1 11. 1 2 12. 1 3 13. 1 4 14. And 1 5 15. So kids, today we learn number 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 and 15. Thanks for watching this video. See you in the next video. Bye.